You can always make right choices, better decisions, because you are wired to think. Learn and grow with awareness. I want you to repeat after me. I make wise decisions. I trust my mind. I move with clarity. I choose what aligns with my growth. At this point, it's important to remember that every thoughtful step creates a stronger, more confident path forward. Keep believing in your ability to choose well. Comment, "I trust my decisions," if this speaks to you.